Toastmaster who is stressed out about giving an icebreaker speech? Perhaps you're not sure what to talk about. In this video, I will guide you through 3 steps to prepare, practice, and present your icebreaker speech with confidence. If we've never met, I am Dr. Sunny Fridge, aka Dr. Sunny. I'm co-founder of Speak and Shine Academy. I help emerging speakers, entrepreneurs, and leaders overcome fear to speak with confidence and ease. Congratulations on becoming a Toastmaster. The icebreaker speech is an opportunity for you to introduce yourself to members of your Toastmasters Club. You'll also learn about the basic structure of a speech. Grab a pen and paper, you'll want to take notes. The first step is to decide on a topic. When you're just starting out, this can be easier said than done. But don't worry, here are some ideas to consider as a topic for your speech. Introduce yourself. Share something about your family and background, perhaps a fun or interesting memory of growing up. Another option, you can talk about why you joined Toastmasters. One of the easiest topics I found to break the ice is to talk about something you're passionate about. Since the speech is about you, talk about your hobbies or your interests, your favorite sport, your education or profession. My first icebreaker was about my love of teaching and how not having my contract renewed was a setback that became a setup for my comeback when I joined Toastmasters and the John Maxwell leadership team. Now, once you've chosen your topic, the next step is to write your speech. Toastmasters provides a speech outline and pathways to help you structure your speech. It's like a script. You'll probably have to tweak it several times. I always say the art of writing is rewriting what you've rewritten. The time requirement for an icebreaker speech is 4 to 6 minutes. Aim for a 5-minute speech. You'll need to prepare about 500 to 750 words for the icebreaker. 500 words is about 1 page in a Word document using a 12-point font. Another option to using the Toastmaster speech outline is to use the informative speech outline. I love it. I use it with my students and my clients. In this framework, the speech begins with an attention getter, introduction, body, and conclusion. The attention getter helps get the attention of your audience. It's a way to hook them in so they'll keep listening. An attention getter can be a quote, a question, or a story. It can also be a startling statistic or joke. We will focus on quotes and question attention getters. For example, let's say you're doing a speech about a vacation you took with your family. An example of an attention getter quote is, "It's been said the best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and all the memories we've made along the way." A question attention getter regarding the vacation topic could be, "Raise your hand if you've ever traveled to Aruba." Or, "By a show of hands, how many of you have taken a vacation in the last year?" After the attention getter, you say something about your topic and then share what you will talk about. For example, today I'd like to share 3 highlights from my vacation in Aruba. One technique I recommend for new speakers is a method I learned as a TV news reporter. First, I would tell viewers what I'm going to tell them. Then I tell them. Then I tell them what I told them. In your speech, in your introduction, tell your audience what you're going to tell them. In the body, you tell them. Then, in the conclusion, you recap and tell them what you told them. Another tip, end your speech with impact. Instead of just saying, "Thank you for listening to my speech about my vacation to Aruba. Back to you, Toastmaster of the day." Instead, you can tie your ending back to that attention getter quote by saying, "I encourage you to make time to see the world. Take vacations, go as many places as you can. Remember, you can always make money. You can't always make memories." Back to you, Toastmaster of the day. Did you notice the difference? And by the way, I did take a trip with my family to Aruba, and it was amazing. A link to my speech is in the description. Now that you've written your speech, the third step is to practice your speech. You probably heard the saying, practice makes perfect. That usually isn't true at the beginning of a Toastmasters journey. But while practice doesn't make perfect, practice makes improvement. The more you practice, the more you become comfortable and confident delivering your speech. Confidence breeds competence. You may be asking, how many times should I practice? Good question. Practice several times a few days before giving your icebreaker speech at the club meeting. But don't just read your speech silently. You must practice out loud. Your speech sounds different when you read silently versus when you read it out loud. One of the best ways to practice is to use your smartphone to record yourself delivering your speech and also record your speech time. If you write down at least 3 speech times, it allows you to listen back to notice whether you read a little too fast or too slow. Then you can make adjustments on the pacing of your speech. Another tip, if you're reading your entire speech word for word, I recommend you memorize the beginning of your speech and the end of your speech. Doing this will allow you to maintain eye contact with your audience and make you appear confident. Today, I've shared 3 steps on how to prepare, practice, and present an icebreaker speech with confidence. First, you have to choose a topic. Next, write your speech. And third, practice your delivery. I also shared a few presentation tips. Zig Ziglar was right when he said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Congratulations on starting your Toastmasters journey. The icebreaker speech is the first of many that you will give. Please know that your club members want you to succeed, and so do I. After you deliver your speech, let me know how you did by posting in the comments below. I'm rooting for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on becoming a better communicator. I'm Dr. Sunny. Remember, it's your time to speak and shine. I'll see you in my next video.